I will begin by selecting EasyScan from the toolbar. I will create a new EasyScan. For this exercise, I will select all U.S. domestic equities, and I will begin to add my conditions. I will begin with the 3-6 system. Next, I will add momentum. So I want the 1226 momentum up. After this, I will add the exponential moving average fan, which is here. And finally, my last qualifier will be volume and price. In this case, I will select the average daily volume 300,000. Notice that all these are running true on the daily. I can test this by scanning, and then I will name it STN 36 long. Once I have selected that, I can place it over in my column here by selecting this button, moving, and placing it at the top. I can then delete this watch list. I only require flag, symbol, and price. And now I have an EasyScan running for this particular system. I will repeat this again for the 3-6-18 system. EasyScan, create new EasyScan, select US common stocks, and begin to add my conditions. I will first find the 3-6-18 condition, and then add my qualifiers. Momentum, the long fan, and my price and volume qualifier. I will run a scan, and then I can test this. When it looks like the logic is accurate, I can eliminate the columns that I don't need, and I will save this. It's STN 3618. Once saved, I can move this to below this particular scan. Now I have 2 scans running. I will complete this configuration for the rest of the systems. Now you can see here that I've added EasyScans for the 3-6, 3-6-18, 3-18, 350, and 6-18 EMA systems. I can check the parameters of each scan by clicking Edit, where I can see that I have my PCF script and my qualifiers, momentum, fan, and price and volume. I keep these separate because it enables me to structure specific scans and test different parameters. Therefore, I could test scripts that are running with or without the fan, and I can change average daily volume as well as momentum. This gives me maximum flexibility. I can rescan manually by clicking this button. And if you have the premium subscription, you can stream scans. Now that I've completed my scans, I will simply add an additional watch list for flag symbols by clicking Watch Lists and Flagged Items. My flag symbols then, I will move to the left. Now I have completed my layout. A simple, easy, efficient layout for analyzing the daily and weekly intervals with a simple scanning column and flag symbol column. So I will right-click here and save my layout. On my flag symbol column, the first indicator will be the price multiple. Here you can see under my indicator, I have it as CPM. The price multiple must run on the weekly and is the quotient of the 52-week high divided by the 52-week low. I will place the CPM weekly right next to the price. Next, I will add average daily volume by clicking My Indicators and Average Daily Volume. Here I can see I just want to post my average daily volume of the last 60 days. It is a simple script. I will add this, and the column populates. Finally, I will add the percent risk for my long positions. Here you can see that this script subtracts the high of the current interval from the low, adds 6 cents, and divides by the high. This gives me the percent risk of the current interval. This is very helpful when I'm setting up my patterns for entry. Therefore, I will add this percent %R to the last column. And I can configure this to reduce the size of the header. Additionally, I will increase this to 4 places for better price precision when sorting. When completed, I will save my layout. Now, each time I scan, I can right-click on a symbol and I can flag and unflag all the symbols in this list. I will do that each time I scan at the end of the interval. My flag symbols then will all appear in this watch list. From here, I could sort by price, highest to lowest, the multiple, which is a surrogate for relative strength, meaning my highest multiples will be the stocks that have made the greatest move for the year, since it is the 52-week high divided by the 52-week low. Furthermore, I could sort by average daily volume, high to low, or I could sort by percent risk. Here I can see that if these were current setups, I would have the lowest risk here and the highest here. This is all the information I need to efficiently scan and sort for setups.